Hi guys, this is Eric. Just a quick update of the rig that I'm working on. This is the one that I had my steering mod done. So I got the new body, deadbolt orange body, and new rims, which I already put in, and the transmission gear set, top cat. It includes everything from spur to the main gears and the idler. Anyway, um, the rig was a bit longer, and I cut the front links to suit the body, and the rear as well. I got the angled links laying around, so I just put them in, and they fit exactly where I want them to be. And let's have a look at it. So nice body. It's actually really nice. And here it is. The metal trans and angled links. And I use my great shocks with HPI 116 buggy springs. Yeah. Still here. The dodgy mounts. But anyway, they work. And that's the top view of the servo. So I'm gonna install this tonight, but I'll let you see out the car without its under and overdrive gears, because this is stock and I ordered the gears, the overdrive for the front and the underdrive for the rear, making the front turn faster than the rear ones. Alright, so this is stock. As you notice, they turn at the same time. Well, it doesn't really help you in a tight situation, or because it pushes the rear pushes the front ones, making it not really work on some obstacles. But with the under and overdrive gears, it will make it possible. I'm gonna do another update, but this is for now. Thanks for watching.